What are you gonna do to start the video?
Can you just I need you to leave.
Is this the beginning of your video?
This is the beginning of the video. Okay.
Do that thing.
Okay. Goodbye. Thank you. Well, this will be a huge surprise to all of you, but something on Beagle Road needs fixed. Today, it's the goat's hay feeder. They managed to break it in about 4 places and waste a ton of hay. If you know anything about goats, it's that they will not eat the hay once it has touched the ground, which I don't understand because they will eat anything else that's on the ground. Robbie and I are heading out to the barn to try to fix this situation. So what we did with our little hay feeder here was take some closet shelving that was left over from our remodel. Yes, hello. Yes, hello. And hook it over this with some tin stuff, tin holder stuff with holes you put screws through. So one thing I do know is don't pull this out of the box or it will expand everywhere. All right, look out, guys. No! No! Ugh! Mommy. Had to say that, didn't I? It's like freezing rain right now, so none of the goats want to leave this area either, so that's not making things any easier. So this time I decided to put an extra piece top to hold this up. They tend to stand on here and pull it out. The whole goat area is getting an overhaul in the spring, so I'm sure we'll come up with something that they can't break, but you know, for now it's cold and rainy and it just needs fixed. So this is what we're doing. Good thing Robbie got a new drill for Christmas because after I lost one of Kenny's drills, I'm not allowed to use them anymore. That actually feels really sturdy right now. I'm tempted to put a couple more pieces on here just to be sure. I don't want to fix this again before, you know, May at least. If there's one trait I inherited from my father, it's anything worth doing is worth overdoing. I'm gonna pack up this tin stuff and deal with that inside. All right, so I can still get 2 flakes in there easily, which even on a rainy day where they don't go out and browse for anything, we'll hold them over. And there's not very much wiggle room in this anymore, which means they'll waste less of the hay, which is awesome. I'm getting snowballs thrown at me. Ah! Okay, no snowballs in the goat shed though, okay? I'm gonna go grab some extra straw to throw down a fresh coat of bedding. It's wet out, so goats like it nice and dry. Right, guys? Right, Meatloaf?
I'm gonna hit her with the biggest snowball in the world. I mean, like, it's huge. I mean, it's this big.
Janice, you're the only smart one that hasn't gone out in this. Look out, babies.
Yeah, hi.
I will sleep better tonight knowing that my babies have everything that they need. These babies, not the human babies. The human babies legit never let me sleep. 9.5 years, going strong. I will do it when you leave! Did you record the part where I said I'm about 30 seconds from not recording this?
No, I didn't do that.